They told the world genetic perfection would save humanity, but they never said who had to die for it. In this future, children are engineered, the disabled are erased, and hope is grown on a tree soaked in radiation. When a paralyzed man discovers the truth behind humanity's miracle, he's forced to choose, stay broken, or burn the entire system to the ground. A world after nuclear destruction. In the near future, a devastating nuclear war nearly wipes out civilization. Global power grids collapse, communication systems vanish, and humanity is thrown back into technological darkness. Survivors face a new horror: radiation-induced genetic mutations. One day, a genetic engineer named Liam Smith makes a groundbreaking discovery deep in the Amazon rainforest, a mysterious plant known as the Genesis tree. This tree can absorb radioactive particles from polluted air and convert them into stable, pure energy stored inside its flowers. Scientists soon turn the Genesis tree into a biological energy reactor, restoring power and allowing civilization to rise again. But the damage has already been done. Genetic elites and outcasts. Due to radiation exposure, 90% of newborns are born with genetic defects. To fix this, scientists develop a serum by combining human DNA with Genesis flower DNA injected into pregnant women. Children who survive the process are born with extraordinary abilities: enhanced hearing, supervision, or angel-like voices. These individuals are called genetics. They live in luxury within protected districts and rule the new society. Those who fail the treatment are labeled anomalies, physically disabled, abandoned, and treated as worthless. Leon and Chloe. Leon is one of those anomalies. Paralyzed from the waist down, he relies on a wheelchair to survive. He lives with Chloe, a young girl whose parents died years earlier. Leon treats her like his own sister. To help fellow anomalies survive, Leon works as a mechanic, building assistive devices that allow them to live normal lives. However, every machine requires energy derived from the Genesis tree, which is strictly controlled by the genetics district. Leon and Chloe attempt the impossible, stealing a Genesis flower. Chloe disguises herself as a student on a school tour, while Leon poses as a janitor. Using tranquilizer gas and a robotic mouse, Leon incapacitates the lab guards. Despite nearly failing, they manage to extract a flower and escape undetected, hiding it inside Chloe's doll. Their stolen energy source allows Leon's workshop to operate freely, for now. Meanwhile, Senator Frank Kistler launches a campaign for mayor, promising genetic equality. He claims scientists have finally developed a way to enhance the genetics of adult anomalies, not just unborn children. Pop icon Mira, a genetically enhanced singer, publicly supports him and announces a concert in the anomaly district. Leon remains skeptical. To him, Frank is just another politician hiding something far darker. One night, Leon accepts a risky repair job in a luxury restaurant within the genetics district. Suddenly, the restaurant is attacked by a masked terrorist group known as Antigen. They slaughter everyone inside. Leon and Chloe barely escape, only to discover that CCTV footage frames them as the terrorists. Even worse, the head of the anti-terrorism unit, Captain Hughes, is secretly revealed to be Antigen's leader. Chloe finds a dropped item from the terrorists, a ticket to Mira's concert. She realizes the truth. Antigen plans to attack the concert and blame the massacre on the anomalies, giving the government an excuse to eliminate them all. Leon hesitates until a shocking revelation surfaces. Leon is Senator Frank's biological son. Determined to stop the conspiracy, Leon modifies an exoskeleton into a powerful combat armor. Together with Chloe, he rescues Mira from an assassination attempt. Leon reveals Hughes's identity and the planned attack. Though hesitant, Mira agrees to help. The dark truth behind the serum. At a medical facility, Leon and Chloe secretly investigate a restricted laboratory. What they uncover is horrifying. The adult enhancement serum is created by extracting neural matter from anomalies, killing them in the process. The mastermind behind it all is Senator Frank, working alongside Hughes. Frank never wanted equality. He wanted power, and planned to test the serum on Leon himself. Final battle. Leon exposes the truth and rallies the anomalies. A massive battle erupts inside the Genesis laboratory. Leon confronts Hughes in a brutal fight. During the struggle, the Genesis tree's containment shatters. Its defensive spikes impale Hughes, killing him instantly. Police arrive, arresting the remaining terrorists. But Frank escapes, having already injected himself with the serum. Ending Frank's crimes are revealed to the world. The government begins dismantling genetic discrimination. Mira chooses to become a doctor to help the anomalies, and her bond with Leon grows stronger. But in the shadows, a twisted figure watches. It's Frank, no longer human, transformed into a monster. And that's where Alter 2024 ends.